Hello everyone. Today we shall look into find, search, left, mid and right functions. Find function, it returns the starting position of one text string within another text string. It is case sensitive. Find does not support wildcards. To use wildcards, we have to use search function. Search function, it returns the number of characters at which a specific character or text string is first found. Reading left to right, search is case insensitive unlike find function, and it is action sensitive. With respect to case insensitive, if we search for capital N, it will find the first occurrence of capital N or small case n. It is accent sensitive, which means that if we search for this accent, it will find the first occurrence of the same accent, but it will not find any occurrences of letter A or any other versions. These both functions are not supported in direct query mode when it is used in calculate columns or row level security rules. Let us go to the data view and understand how find and search function works. Here we have a category column where we have the brand and operator concatenated. I'll click on new column. Suppose that we have to find space within the category. I'll write find equal to, I will write find text. We have to search the space, hence I am writing double quotes with space. Within text, I want to find within category column. Start position, it is 1. If it is not found, I want to return blank. Okay, I'll close the parenthesis, hit enter. As you could see that the spaces are found in the position 3rd in the category column, hence number 3 is returned. Search function would also work in similarly, but it is case insensitive. Here I'll write search equal to, let us use search. Here I'll find the text which is LG, okay, and I'll write within text as category column. In the start position I'll write 1, and if it is not found, we want blank. I'll close the parenthesis, hit enter. Here you could see that LG in the category, it is present in the first position. If I scroll down, here you could see blanks because in these categories there is no LG present. So you could understand, if we apply the case insensitive or sensitive, it will follow the steps which are provided in the parameters. Now let us understand how left, mid and right functions work. I'll move to the, here in the left function we have two parameters. We have text and number of characters. In DAX, it works with Unicode and stores all characters as the same length. Therefore a single function is enough, and this function is not supported in direct query mode when it is used in calculated columns or row level security rules. Mid function, we have the text parameter, start number and number of characters. Right function, it search from the right, similar to the left function, and it returns the last character based on the number of characters entered. It always counts each character whether it is single byte or double byte, no matter what the default language setting is. This is how right function works. Let us move to the data view. Here I'll create a new column. Here I'll write left equal to left function. I want to use the category text as category, and number of characters I want only 2 characters. I'll close the parenthesis, hit enter. Here in the left column, you could notice that only 2 characters of every category is obtained. But this might not make sense, but it is how left function works, where number of depending on number of characters. Similarly, I'll click on new column. Now I shall write left brand equal to, I'll use the same left function. In the text I'll use category. In the number of characters, instead of using number, I'll use our find column, where we could find space where it is 3, but we want only the initial characters, by reducing 1 character for the space. Okay, I'll subtract 1 from the find column because space position is 3. We want to remove the space in order to get the left name in the category. Okay, I'll hit enter. Here you could notice that in left brand column, you could see that all the names of category column which is present in the left side, they are segregated with respect to space. If you scroll down, you could notice the difference here. Let us move on to the other function, which is med function. I will write med equal to, I'll type med in the text, I'll write category. In the start position, I want to start from fourth position and I want 5 characters, which is claro from the category column. I'll close the parenthesis, hit enter. Here you could notice that we have got all the 5 characters which is separated after fourth position. I hope you have understood mid function. I'll click on new column. I'll type right equal to, we have right function where I'll use category column similarly, and I'll fetch the last 5 characters which are present. I'll type 5 and hit enter. Here you could notice that similarly to the mid function as we used, we have got the last 5 characters as required. This is how find, search, left, mid, right functions work. Thank you for watching and we shall meet in the next video.